Before we start, let me show you something real quick. These are digital products I created, like this Manifest Dream Life journal planner and this 12-week weight loss planner with an exercise tracker. The crazy part is, each of these only took me about 10 minutes to create using Canva, and they're already making me money on platforms like Etsy, eBay, Gumroad, and Amazon. Now imagine being able to create something like this once and sell it over and over again. Let me show you exactly how I do it step by step. First, let's keep this really simple. A digital product is something you create once and then sell over and over again. For example, things like budget planners, Notion templates, social media templates, fitness trackers, business spreadsheets, journals, printable wall art. Instead of shipping a physical product, you're selling a downloadable file, usually something like a PDF. So when someone buys it, they download it instantly. No packaging, no shipping, no inventory. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make this really easy because customers can buy your product and download it immediately. Now here's where AI completely changes the game. Tools like ChatGPT can generate structured content in seconds, and tools like Canva allow you to turn that content into clean, professional-looking digital products, even if you're not a designer. So what does this actually mean? It means you can create products faster, produce more ideas, and scale your digital product business much quicker. And the goal here is not to make $20 one time. The real goal is to start building digital assets that can generate income for you every single month. Trust me, this kind of business model can literally change the way you think about making money online. And by the way, if you're new here, my name is Muvambi, and this video is part of my Make Money Online series. In this series, we're going to dive deep into how to build real income online using digital products and AI. So if you want to learn more and follow the full process step by step, make sure you subscribe, because there's a lot more coming in the next videos. Now, let me show you something important. This is how you know this actually works. Let's take a look at how people are already making money with these kinds of digital products. First, we're here on Etsy.
Okay guys, let me show you. This is It's Now. Okay, this is It's marketplace where you can sell your digital product. It's very easy and very simple. I'm going to show you how you can create this nice digital product, and you can come and slap them here in Etsy and start to make money. This is the way, is the easiest way to make money online. Let me show you. For example, like here, I come here and I type PDF digital planner. Now let me show you here. You see this one? This one, okay, this is one of the digital planner, right? So let me show you here. Look how demand it is. They say this is it themselves. They say is in demand. 9 people they bought this in last 24 hours. Now let me show you. Now let's do my calculator here. I go my calculator here. So I put a 16.86 pence times 9 people who bought this. So far this digital product is already made £151.74. So this is within 24 hours, and trust me, this digital product is not here in 1 day or 2 days. This looks like it's been here for quite a while. And the good thing about this one is you create it once, and once you create it once, you create only once, and once you create once, you sell over and over and over and over and over again. So I'm going to show you. This is the easiest way how to do it. Let me show you another example. I come here and see this one, another one here. This is another one, digital planner, right? So this one is in demand, like the way it's they say here. 26 people bought this in the last 24 hours. I'm showing you that this is possible. Anyone can do this. You are listening to me right now. You can do this. This is the easiest way how to make money online. We're going to use ChatGPT. We're going to use Canva. All these are free tools. They're going to give us all this design, and we're going to create ours. And I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. So this one is in demand, and this one is selling. The real price was £3.72. That was the real price. Now it's in sale. It's sold for 94 pence, right? So I'll show you how to set the price for you to make profit. I'll show you what is in demand right now in Etsy, because I do this all the time. So let me show you another example. Another example is here. See this one? This is another one. Yeah, this is a printable fitness planner. This is another one. This one is got 21 pages in here. So this one is showing the things they are going to include in its PDF, right? So this is like kind of preview for what is going to include, right? So all these things I'm going to show you how to create all this. Is very easy how to do this, guys. And look at this, is in 8 basket, and is sold for £3.98 pence. This means in 8 basket. This means this product is in 8 people basket are ready to buy right now. So this is how the demand is mind-blowing. I'm telling you. Let me show you another example. This is another one. This is another digital product. This one, yeah. You see how nice it look, this one. Okay. Oh, this one is very easy to do this, guys. Very easy to do this. So this one here is sold for £2.39. The reason they're showing here for the price, because I'm in this I'm in United Kingdom. That's the price. That's why the price in my side it shows in pound. So this one is in 5 basket. This means there's a 5 people are ready to buy this digital product. And the good part is, I keep saying that the good part is, this product you create only once. I don't know if you understand that. You create only once. Once you create once, that's it. You're done. You add in it's here, and you're going to make money over and over and over again. So if someone buys this product, let me show you here. You receive message like this from It's. This is one of my product I sell. One of my ebook I sell in my It's store. So once someone buy it, you receive a message like this, and they tell you your product's been sold for, like this one I'm selling for £3.96 is one of the ebook I'm selling in It's. I do this all the time, and this is the easiest way how to make money online.
Etsy. If you search for things like planners or printables, you'll see listings with hundreds or even thousands of reviews. And remember, reviews usually mean real sales. So when you see numbers like that, it means people are consistently buying these products. Now let's also check eBay.
Right, guys, let me show you another way you can sell this PDF file. This one is in eBay, right? This is eBay, one of my eBay account, one of my eBay account. You can sell this in eBay. This PDF file, you can see here, this is clear instruction. I show to the customer that this PDF is included 84 pages and is a digital planner. So people, they know this is not physical product. They will receive a physical product. They will receive a PDF file which they download, and they're going to print themselves. So this is clear information you're going to put here for the customers. You can see here I put clear information. I explain that when they make payment, what they receive one printable PDF come in one size, which is A4, and here I put the instruction that when they make payment, we're going to send the PDF file through their email address, which they provide to us through eBay. The difference between eBay and Etsy is, Etsy, the system is already been set. It's when you create your listing, you can add your PDF straight away. So once the customer buy it, once the customer click and make the payment, that means they're going to receive direct the PDF. They're going to receive the PDF instantly. But in eBay, they don't have the system yet. In eBay, if someone buy it, they're going to leave their email address. So you're going to take the email address and take that email address and send the PDF through the email address. I'll show you all this stuff. I'll show you step by step. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because I'm going to do a playlist for all this. I'm going to show you step by step for each platform. eBay, I'll show eBay. I'll show you It's. I'll show you Gumroad. I'll show you Amazon. You can make money online while you're sleeping. I'm telling you, okay?
Alright, so now that you've seen that people are already making money with these kinds of products, let me show you exactly how to create one yourself. We're going to keep this very simple. So now we're here inside Canva, and this is where I created all of my planners. The best part is, you don't need any design experience for this. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I use, and you'll see how this can be done in just a few minutes.
Right, let me show you how easy it is, right? So this is one of the PDF. This is workout planner, right? So this is the planner here. This I set myself, I create. It's very easy. I'm telling you, most of these pages, you just duplicate them twice. You just do this. Once you create one, the rest just come and double it, and just duplicate, and just change this small bit, right? So this is one of them here. You see how it is? It's very easy how to do it. It takes like, let me say, 10 or 15 minutes. You come and change and add stuff. It's so easy how to do this. So this is one of the PDF I create from in Canva here, right? So this is one, and another one here. This is let me show you here. This is weight loss plan for 12 weeks. See this one here, okay? So this one is easy. Once you all this framework, all these things, you come to ChatGPT, just give it a prompt. I'll share the prompt, I'll show you step by step, and once you've done that, you come here, you bring here in Canva, they do all this for you, and then you just, your job is to change a bit, you change font, you change design, you change style, you make the way you like, in your own, your own pace, the way you like, the way you think is good. Here now, it's about you, creativity. You're going to start to do whatever you want. You feel like this is going to be nice. You make it nice, so the customer, they can buy it and they can enjoy. And once, for example, like this one, once you finish, you just come here. It's so easy. Come here and print. Click here, download. You choose here, standard PDF. Come here. So you come back here, download. Standard PDF, you come here, you click download, and this PDF is going to be ready for you to use in it's going to be like this. Let me show you here. See this one here? That's your PDF. Look how nice you look, right? See how nice you look. So it's going to be, this is the PDF. You're going to take this PDF, you're going to attach in your its listing. You're going to add this one here in your its listing. So when the customer buy, instantly they're going to receive this one. And in eBay case, when the customer buy, you take this PDF, you add in your email address, and you send to the customer, and they're going to receive their PDF. And this is another one. This is for weight loss. Look how nice you look. Okay, you look very nice. So this is how it is. Very simple. It's very easy. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a series for this, how to make money using your how to make money with digital product. So if you are interested with this kind of video, please do subscribe. I do appreciate, and comment down below this video if you want me to do those video to show you step by step on how to sell this in eBay, Etsy, Amazon, and Gumroad. Trust me, you're going to make money, because once you create this one, it take like 10 minutes. Once you create this one I can sell over and over and over and over and over again, right? There's only one product I create, I can sell over and over and over again. This is how you make money. This is how you make simple. And once you've done once, you leave there, you focus with another product, you create another product, and you add in your shop, in your store. By the time you realize your store is come full of this kind of product, and guess what? This is 24 hours. People, they come in your shop. You can even start your own website, your Shopify website. You can sell all this digital product, and people, they will buy it while you sleep. You're making money.
Alright, so once you've finished your design and downloaded your PDF, now let me quickly show you how to list it and start selling. So here we are on Etsy. I'm not going to go too deep here because I'll cover this step by step in the next video.
Okay, let me show you quick how you can do how you can list that in Etsy. This is going to be your Etsy. For example, this is example for my product. Here I come here, add the title. This is one of the PDF, by the way, is about Christianity, to teach people Bible ebook. So this is one of the title here. I add here and I show you how to do that. I'll show you how to add the thumbnail and the books. You see here the preview for the book. You need to show them, people, they need to see what they're going to get. And this is like thumbnail, and here digital file. So here that's where you're going to add that digital file. You know, the file we download from Canva, that's the file you're going to add here. Okay, and I'll show you how to do, because in Etsy, when the file is bigger file, they won't accept. I'll show you how to make it small, and you can come and upload here in digital file, and here that's where the description comes, and here you add your price, how much you want to sell, and the quantity. Here you can put 100, you can put whatever you want, because it's infinite. Remember, this is digital product, this is not physical product. Okay, and once you finish that, all this place, I'll show you how to do all this. I'll show how to add the tags. I'll show people they can find your digital product. I show you how to do all this, to set everything. And once you see, let me show you here. We come here, this is a preview. This is how your file, this is how the book is going to look like. That is my ebook here. So the same thing like that, digital product, that's how it's going to look like here. I'm going to show you how to use AI to create all this catching thumbnail and the preview of the book or preview of your planner. Okay, I'm going to show you all this good stuff. Okay, so yeah, please subscribe and comment down below if you want me to show you all this and help you to make money online.
So as you can see, this entire process is actually very simple once you understand the steps. From finding an idea, to creating your product, to listing it online. This is something you can start doing today. And this video is just the beginning. This is part of a full series where I'm going to walk you step by step through how to build a real digital product business using AI. In the next video, we're going to dive deeper into this, especially how to properly list your products, optimize them, and price them for maximum profit. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe and follow the series. Also, if you want more personalized help, I do offer one-on-one guidance, and I've also created a mini course where you can learn everything at your own pace. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.